Hi, this is Paul. I'm with MarineMax here in Houston, and we're listing this 2021 Stingray 250 LR on brokerage. Very low hours, only got about 60 hours on it. It's kept in our indoor dry stack facility, so it's in really good condition. Got fresh bottom paint on it if you guys want to leave it in the water. Beautiful royal blue color. Great family boat for fresh or salt water. It comes with a trailer. We'll have some pictures of the trailer separately. And it's got a 300 horse Merc Cruiser in the back, trim tabs, a lot of great features. It's got a conventional bimini top, so you can get it down easy for some of the bridges and storage facilities we have. And this is just one of our many offerings here at MarineMax. I'm Paul. Be glad to take care of you.